part of you, and you're part of me. Just like God planned, we're a family. I'm growing inside you, Mommy. It feels so great. And I'm longing to see you, and I can hardly wait. We're gonna be close, Mommy, you and me. I'm gonna bring you joy, Mom, just you wait and see. I'm gonna be someone special. I'm gonna be all that I can be, because, Mommy, God has a plan for me. Something just happened. I feel so much pain. Why are they hurting me? I didn't do anything. Mommy, I'm dying. Don't you care? I've gotta go to heaven now, and I hope to see you there. We could have been close, Mommy, you and me. I could have brought you joy, Mom, but now you'll never see. I could have been someone special. I could have been all that I could be, because, Mommy, God had a plan for me. Well, I've got a new body now, and I don't feel no pain. There's a really nice man up here, and Jesus is his name. He holds me tight, and in him is so much light. He says I'll never hurt anymore, and everything's gonna be alright. And we are close here, Mommy, Jesus and me. He tells me how he loves me, and the joy he gets from me. He says I'm someone special, and he made me all that I can be. But sometimes I wonder, Mom, what God had planned for me. Do you ever wonder, Mom, what God had planned for me?